Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the 10-story building that's being built in downtown Kingston. This is actually one of 3 10-story buildings being built down here. We are at the site of the old Palace Theatre in downtown Kingston at the corner of East Queen Street and Camp Road. And this building is moving quickly. I'm sure I'm just assuming it's one of the Chinese contractors that work in Jamaica, because this building is really going up quickly. Now it's going to be a 10-floor building. It's going to be, well, we're not 100% sure, but we've heard it's going to be a mixed-use building, and BPOs or a call center will be located in the building. I'm not sure if they're going to occupy, how many floors they're going to occupy. Now, as we said earlier, this is one of 3 10-floor buildings under construction. Kingston 2 Apartments is located just like 2 minutes from here, and that one has reached 10 floors and should finish very soon. It's a residential development. And then the Bank of Jamaica is going to be building a 10-floor building beside their existing 14-floor tower by the Kingston waterfront. That one hasn't started yet, but they are very close to starting. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think about how quickly this building is going up, and we will give you guys regular updates on this development. And this entire section of downtown Kingston there's a lot of developments taking place. Further up the road from here, you'll see it in a little bit, is Sabina Park. They recently added lights so that they can play matches at night, and a lot of renovation has taken place there. And a few other developments are taking place in this section of downtown Kingston along Camp Road. Alright guys. Oh, and as you know, the most popular facility or location on this road is Up Park Camp. And they recently put in a new gate, the Cannonball Gate. Very nice facility. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.